Today, we're reviewing Convead, a powerful SaaS platform designed to help businesses optimize their marketing strategies through advanced automation, analytics, and customer journey insights. When you first sign up, the platform offers a clean and user-friendly dashboard that immediately gives you an overview of key metrics, such as user engagement, conversion rates, and marketing performance. It's designed to help businesses track customer behavior and make data-driven decisions. Navigating the interface is intuitive. On the left side, you'll find a menu that provides access to essential features like campaign management, customer segmentation, and data analytics. The setup process is straightforward, with well-documented tutorials guiding you through connecting your e-commerce platform or CRM system. One of the platform's standout features is its ability to segment customers based on their behaviors and interactions, which helps create personalized experiences that drive higher conversion rates. In terms of automation, Convead excels with its multi-channel capabilities. You can set up automated email workflows, push notifications, and even personalized in-app messages, all based on real-time customer behavior. I was impressed by how easily I could create complex workflows without needing any coding experience. The platform offers various pre-built templates, but also allows customization to fit your brand's unique needs. Another notable aspect of Convead is its reporting system. It provides detailed reports that give you actionable insights into campaign performance, customer journeys, and overall sales. You can track where your customers are dropping off in the funnel and optimize for higher retention and conversions. The visual reports are easy to read, even for those who may not be data experts, making it accessible to both marketing teams and executives. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do check them out after watching this video. The platform also supports integration with popular third-party tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and HubSpot, which means you can connect Convead to your existing systems without hassle. This integration makes it easier to manage all your marketing efforts from one place. Another benefit is the platform's ability to scale. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, Convead adapts to your growing needs, providing you with the flexibility to scale up your marketing efforts without outgrowing the platform. In conclusion, Convead is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool for businesses looking to optimize their marketing strategies. With its automation features, advanced analytics, and seamless integrations, it's a top choice for marketers who want to create personalized customer experiences. If you're considering using Convead for your business, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips.